I know it's been a while. So it's June. I think the last time I posted something. I don't know when this is going up. I ain't even gonna tell that lie, but I'm gonna do a couple of days of my life. So right now, Corey is visiting some family. She's visiting her father, and Corey's visiting her father, her nana, her papa, her titi, and her uncle for a week. It is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. So I have a few like toddler-free days right now. Right now, I'm getting together with the girls, and we're going to be grilling. Cause we don't need no men to grill. If these new men not gonna do it, we gonna do it for them. Nah. But for real, I like grilling, so you know I hit them with that. Y'all trying to throw something on the grill, and we just went to see Little Mermaid. It was absolutely freaking adorable. And like, I know it was geared towards younger kids, but my inner child is beaming right now. I'm sorry for yelling. I was excited. But yeah, so update on my life. This is my last month here in Tallahassee. I've been here for 11 years, and I'm going home. Like, between the economy and being like a single mom and everything, like, I have to pat myself on the back. I did it, and I'm tired, and I want some help. So I am blessed enough to have parents who have provided me with the means to kind of take a break on some of the adult bills and responsibilities that I have. My long-term goal is to go to nursing school, and it has been a very trying experience so far, but I'm not giving up on that. I want to do public health nursing. I want to do postpartum and women-specific health coaching. And I know I don't need nursing to do that, but nursing also provides job stability, and it gives me like, I like going to school, like, and I think my whole pregnancy journey and everything has led me to wanting to become a more in-depth healthcare provider. With my master's degree, I just like, basically I can't touch people, like, and I want to be able to like have knowledge on like medications. Like, I want to be a lot more well-rounded with helping my clientele in the long run. So I'm really excited, but like, I'm stressed out. So because while Corey's not here, I plan on packing, and y'all, like, we have so much stuff. I live in a 3-bedroom home. The guest room was actively used. I threw all of our junk, everything down there when we didn't need it, like when we outgrew clothes and stuff. So I gotta go through all of that. Like, it makes me want to be a minimalist, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's a quick update. I'll check back in when I get with the girlies. Right now I'm gonna go to Target and pick up like some charcoal and some plates and whatever else we might need, if anybody like throws that in a group chat real quick. But yeah, baby free week, and I feel like I overdid it, like mentally, maybe, with some plans and things I planned on doing, because I haven't done that. I did go to the gym today. I did go to the gym yesterday. That's my other goal for this week, is to go to the gym every day. I want to be a 5 a.m. girly, just because I can, because I never get to be. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, stay tuned.
All right, guys.
Gang in this thing. You know what I'm saying? We gotta eat a chicken wing. You know what I'm saying? Knew I was coming through. Have to pose for the camera real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so, excuse me. So as I said earlier this week, I am moving. So I haven't really been like vlogging like that because I've honestly been tired. Like even not having a baby, I've realized how much I need my rest. So I've been chilling, but finally got around to doing a whole bunch of stuff last night. I packed up clothes, some clothes of mine and some baby clothes and some items that like I've just had of Corey's, didn't know what to do with them or hadn't gone through them, and I'm gonna give them to my coworkers and all of their grandkids. There's a lady who's pregnant, I'm giving her some stuff, and there's my lead recently had a baby, so I'm giving her some items as well. I have clothes in here from 0 months to 24 months, toys, all that. So let me show you guys the back seats of my car. These are 18 to 20 month year old clothes. That's some stuff for the newborn. A toy, I know Corey's not gonna use that, and I'm doing it this week so she don't see all of this stuff. Brand new tub, fresh baby items, goes up to like 9 months. Swing, I have another swing at my parents' house that I'm gonna bring up. And then let's see, and then this is a box of like my clothes that I can't wear anymore. This is another box of my clothes I can't wear anymore. And then this is like a bouncer slash walker Corey like didn't even like. These, two of my coworkers have some older grandbabies that, you know, I'm a small girl, so they can wear that stuff, and I'm gonna let them go through and pick it because they know what their grandkids need. And yeah, I just feel like the entire time that I had Corey, like literally from pregnancy, I'm sorry, I'm moving around so much, but I feel like the entire time I had Corey, yes, I'm gonna put my seatbelt. Let me try this again. I just feel like the entire time I had Corey, I was blessed, like literally from the moment people found out I was pregnant all the way up till now. I have not had to buy her an entire wardrobe of anything. Like I haven't had to buy Corey a whole wardrobe of anything. And the blessings are going to keep coming. I'm going to keep elevating to being able to take care of my child. And like, I just have no reason to hold on to these things. I don't want money from it because selling stuff is a hassle. Like, it's a lot of consignment shops and stuff. I'm not having no garage sale. That's not my style. I'm not doing it. Like, this is just the easiest thing for me to do, and it's the easiest way to like be a blessing to others. Like, what do I need to hold on to that stuff for? What does my daughter need to hold on to that stuff for? Like, I did save some of my favorites because I do plan on having another child at some point in time, and I probably saved too much stuff. But I also had stuff I had saved like a long time ago that going through it now, I don't have that same attachment for. So maybe the next time I go through her clothes, the same thing will happen. I'll have less and less attachment for it because some stuff I'm like, oh, she has a cute picture in this, and I saved it. She has the picture. But yeah, some stuff was never worn. I do have a small pile of things with tags on them that I'll see if my mom wants to sell, since she did buy so much stuff. And I also set aside some stuff for Target for the little cat and jack thing. I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm literally just thinking about that now. I left that in the house. It ain't gonna be no crazy money. I don't know what I got versus what my mom got, so I don't have all the receipts. I gotta look that up. I'm gonna do that. That's my project for today at work. I'm gonna look up how that whole process works. But yeah, here I am looking dusty, y'all. I don't know, my retoys don't like stick like that no more. But this is my good. These Morning, it is Friday. I'm on the way home with yet another full car. Back there I have the rest of Corey's dad's things, some of her sister's things, because they're in a different city and everything, so the movers wouldn't be able to take stuff from my house to their house or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that down there. I'm heading home to pick up Corey. She is with her dad for the week. I don't know if I said that. So I'm going to do that. I got Gussie Pooh here, and I'm taking him home. So he won't be in the way with all the packing. And right now I'm scooping Dunkin'. I am hilarious for saving all of these. It's literally been like 15 years. I got all of my things. Alright, so here is me and Corey's last night at our old place. We're just kicking it and eating some dinner. And then here she is on our first day at home. She's clearly adjusting well. She found her little, what is this, a four-wheeler? And she was just riding around the house and having a blast. Alright, so yeah, this is just a clip of all of the stuff that we have. This is upstairs in a room. I decided to share our rooms. My dad loves to point out the fact that I'm squeezing technically 4 rooms if you count my bedroom, Corey's bedroom, the spare bedroom, and like the living room and kitchen stuff into 2 bedrooms. So there's gonna be like a playroom downstairs as well. And like when I first got there and saw all of this stuff squeezed into the rooms, it was so chaotic. Like, y'all, I literally had to make a walking path. So everything seems to be working out, but I really had to organize and get down to the necessities. I ended up sending a lot of stuff to storage. The movers got confused and brought a lot of stuff to the house, so that's why it looked so crazy. But I really have to just like stay organized. I can't buy a whole bunch of new stuff, and I have to weed through clothes that like Corey's growing out of. But yeah, we did it. It honestly took probably a good month even to get here, between like we were doing a lot of traveling and just the chaos of having a toddler and trying to unpack our entire lives. And here's that room downstairs. I've unpacked this room a lot, but I had to paint it when I got home because my mom didn't want those green walls anymore, and I totally agree. I'm so glad she let me do this. But yeah, so I can provide updates. I think I want to do like an organize with me video because some things still need to be straightened up. So yeah, maybe like a little clean with me. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in for updates.